It is 79 degrees in the house and it is set to 74 on the thermostat. Over here is the return, and then here is the furnace, which we're not going to look at because I don't want to open it. Now, this is at my aunt's house. And we're going to go outside and take a look at the air conditioner. Here is the pool. Right there is the jacuzzi. It's a really nice day today. Gotta watch over that. Up there is the fan for the attic, and over here is the air conditioner. Lennox. I remember I got this last year. A video of the Lennox running. Well, not running, but not running. And this thing vibrates, like you can feel it right here where my foot is. Right here, it vibrates right here when you put your foot right here. It's a pretty noisy unit, but it's actually, it does a pretty good job of keeping the house nice and cool. I think this one is from 2009 or 2008, but correct me if I'm wrong, because I can't really read the data sticker for you guys, but you guys can let me know. I really appreciate that. Some of you guys, I know a few of you suggested about, for me, if my Goodman ever dies in the future, suggest me to get a train unit, but see though, that's something that I gotta think about, because well, we'll find a good unit once we get the money for it, but yeah, our Goodman unit is out of warranty, but it's still running perfectly fine. I know Exitome's coil is leaking a lot, which is not good, so yeah, I'm starting to really lose interest in Goodman now that HVAC A is right on that. But hey, you know, we find a unit that we can work with, like Rude and Ream. They're the best. Probably better than Carrier and Train and Lennox, in my opinion. Rude and Ream are just like the best company right now out there in the HVAC world. But that's just my opinion. But yeah, like I say, I'm starting to lose interest in Goodman, so yeah, oh well. We all thought that Goodman was good, but now Goodman is just, you know, POS, as what we like to call it now. I think this one has a Copeland recip compressor or a Copeland scroll. I gotta get a better video of it when it's turned off, which I will do in a bit. Let me give you guys the data sticker one more time. Sorry the camera if it's blurry. In this house, they had I believe they had a train unit last year. That lasted, I think it was around the 1980s or something like that. This house is really old. This is like in the 1960s or 70s. I have to ask my aunt later. I'm not too sure, but they've been here for over like 17 years. This unit sounds pretty good. But it's pretty loud though, but my Goodman is a lot quieter than this. Yeah, if you guys are able to see the data sticker and tell me what the year of this unit is, when this unit was manufactured and installed, please let me know right away as soon as possible. If you guys are able to see the data sticker perfectly at least. And this camera is not that great. And I think this house had a train unit before. Not all these houses right here have, like this house doesn't have an air conditioner. It has a window air conditioner unit, but not a central air AC. So it's actually pretty good. And last time when I was here, I made a video of this unit not running, and I made a video of their gas furnace starting up and shutting down, and it was pretty good video. Really enjoyed it. But it won't be long until we fire up our furnace. We're probably going to do that probably in November or sometime in October when it gets really cold out at night. So yeah, if my Goodman ever dies, I'll probably think about getting a Carrier or a Lennox, because I'm not sure about a Rude or a Ream yet. But when our system dies, we'll go in and take a look and see which one we can find that's really good, you know. So yeah, I'm just kind of quiet. I don't really have much to say on this video except I'm showing you guys the Lennox AC unit running. So if you guys know what the BTU and the tonnage is and all that, please let me know. I know one of you guys left me on a comment on my last video and I kind of forgot about it, so I really don't remember the tonnage and the BTUs and all that crap. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. Alrighty, and that's it for that unit. Let me show you guys something real quick. Oh, that's the polo. It's actually a gas system. It warms up the heater. From all the way right here, you can really hear it. There's the jacuzzi. We were in here last night. It was pretty fun. Water is really blue. So is the sky. This neighborhood is really old. Really old. So this is the air conditioner at my aunt and my uncle's house. So thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Over and out.